Today's conversation was a seed planted for us to look deeper into all the aspects of abundance in agriculture, in ecology, in environment, how to manage our water resources, to regenerate for those 50,000 years to come. Today's panel discussion touched a little bit into really opening a conversation. We couldn't go deeper into the subjects as due to time constraints, but the thoughts which were being shared was generally is expressed within the community. That's why it's necessary for us to now meet and to discuss and to express our thoughts. The foundation, or we have put a seed, so this needs to be the seed needs to be cared for, nurtured for, to grow further. And so the deeper conversation on individual aspects of this today's conversation can be looked into, discussed in depth, and uh, to work, and so that we can work to meet the I'll go again. Today's conversation we have planted the seeds. So this seed needs to be nurtured. So as collective, we can build up on it and then bring all our understanding in it on each element of today's discussion, and then to come up with processes that can enable for recreation, regeneration, reviving of all this nature. Nature is abundant, she gives. Yeah, it is, as humans, we need to work with her, to understand her, to build along with her. Today's conversation is given that seed. I hope we can build up on it. Yes, yes. No, there are many women. I'm surprised. I was included in it. I won't say this.
You were surprised.
I was surprised because neither I am in the farm or in actively in the forest area. Maybe they picked me up because I come from a farming family from this area, and I do have quite some understanding of what farming is, and especially regenerative farming and organic farming. That side, it's not inside Auroville, but my experience is all from my family side and all that. So maybe that's the reason I was brought
You have
in.
hands-on experience.
Yes, yes. Um, See, farmer's life includes everything, right? He has to work with the nature. He has to plan with the nature.
Why do we call a farmer he? Why
Or
not
she. Okay, farmers. Mainly because women
Because
are
I see
working.
when I go to rural areas, I see mostly
Mostly,
women till picking up the
see, what I
working on the
see
fields.
is women are the Shakti behind, which are driving this man in front. Okay, don't get me wrong, Akshay. So they impart their wisdom. They are following it. They are the one who are saying, okay, this needs to happen. They are watching the moon. They are watching. Farmers, I would say. Um, so I forgot the question again. Please tell me.
No, that's what I mean. Where you see the Shakti.
Okay, so what I say is all the elements are in a farmer. He needs to bring in his wisdom, his knowledge of the farming aspect. Okay, whether it's a conventional method of farming or he is using the native knowledge or wisdom that is being practiced over centuries. Okay, and he has to have the courage and the perseverance and all that to really go through. When he prepares the soil, from then onwards his journey with the his journey, their journey with the until production and also sale or whatever is the next step. He has to persevere. He has to have the courage to persevere. And in that,
That is where Shakti comes in.
Shakti comes in,
Strength.
strength and courage, and the determination to go through. It's very easy to give up. For example, you have a field of crop and some pest comes in, and then the whole thing goes out, and he has the courage to withstand it and try it again. He's a fighter. Farmers are fighters. And third is the Mahalakshmi. With this brings the beauty in it. He's looking after the family. He's looking after the abundance for his family. He's looking at abundance in the farm itself, and within that farm he is planning his farm. Whether it is an integrated farm or it's a monoculture farm, it's a polyculture farms. He's planning. There is dedication. He has to be with the Maha Saraswati's aspect, particular perfection. Perfectionist. He has to be a perfectionist there. So this aspect of perfection comes in, meticulous planning comes in, and perseverance and wisdom, everything is combined in a farmer. Yeah, that's, you can't isolate and say, where is this thing coming from. Combination.
Where do you think sincerity comes in? Because that's the theme of our festival. Just in a few words.
Sincerity. If you're not sincere, you can't take another step in anywhere. Yeah. Because we are here to do a sadhana, and with sincerity only we can do that. Each and every step needs it, whether it's being farming, administration, any aspect of it.
Right.
Sincere calls.
Yes, thank you so much for your insight.
Thank you.